Hi everyone, I'm Yas from Formular Team, and today I want to show you everything about your Formular Dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard is designed every user could have access to all of the necessary links all in one place. We have here a menu, like the dashboard, automate platform, assistance, calls history, with call tools, knowledge base, everything that you want. Even the billing info and the setting for payment info and everything, all you can see in your dashboard. I just want to show you everything step by step and in details so that you can have a better view about your Formular dashboard. Okay, as you can see here, it's written hi. And there is actually a summary of what is happening in your account. For example, today this account has had 12 calls, which had the answer rate was 94%, which was really better in comparison to previous week. But there was less calls made. Maybe the user itself wanted the calls to be reduced, or they just planned a different lead campaign so that they just plan less calls in the month. But you can also see a summary of how many calls have been made through the month. Here we have a diagram as well. And the interesting part, here we also have the Take a Platform tour. You can click on it, and also you can have a tour step by step. And when you forget anything or you just want to check or recall a point, you can use it. You can start by making an assistant for yourself, create and customize your first assistant. Then you'll need a new phone number, rent a number. You need to create a campaigns course. And then we'll see here that, okay, you can also automate your workflow, your campaigns, and everything. We will show you all of these procedures step by step in different videos. But today I just want to give you a view of only the dashboard itself. And then it said, that's it. You can complete the next steps on your own, starting from here, which is really interesting by us in Formular, because you can customize and automate and actually build your own AI assistant without any background in coding or programming or even IT. You can do it all by yourself with the tutorials that we have, and a bit like 5 minutes a day, you can build your own AI assistant, which will help you in many ways. So, as you can see, everything that is happening in Formular, we have documented it. We described it, everything step by step for you. So that's why I say, without any background and without any knowledge about programming, coding, or even AI itself, you can build your own AI assistant. Whenever you land in this page, you can search about any topic that you want, and then you can find how to build everything in Formular, and you won't need anybody else to build it for you. But of course, our support is always for you. We are 24/7 for you there. You can always call us or write us if you have any problem. But I guess this part would help you a lot whenever you are not sure about the process, or you just want to recall something, or you forget something. You can easily land here from your dashboard. Hence again to Docs bar, and then you will find it here, and you read about it here, and then you can solve your problem yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please feel free to push the subscribe button so you will be the first person to know whenever we launch a new video, a new tutorial. If you want these tutorials to be continued, write for us in the comment section, like the videos if you need it, and please let us know if you have any suggestion. Until next video, bye.